Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Alright, check it out guys. So we've come to Calgary, Alberta. We're staying at the Econolodge University and we just got checked into a room. So I'm just going to show you the room right now. Just got checked in here to our King Suite at the Econolodge, and check it out guys. So I am trying to close this door right here, and then when I go to lock it the lock doesn't turn, so it doesn't seem to be able to be locked. I mean, if you lock this, but it'll still come out like that, right? But yeah, you might want to check this when you get checked in, if you ever stay here. Yeah. Hey guys, so myself and Dorothy are currently in Calgary at what is called McHugh Bluff, and
trekking up a hill.
Just trekking up the hill to the top, but we're pretty far up now, so we can see basically the entire city of Calgary from our location. As you can see here, that's Calgary right there. And I was just telling Dorothy that Calgary doesn't really have a big water body that you can kind of get the city skyline view from the water, so this is our best option to get like a good shot of the city, and I'd say that's a pretty good shot. So from here we're gonna head to the Peace Bridge, I believe, which is a pedestrian bridge that goes over the Bow River. And the Bow River is actually down there, and it's pretty unique, so I'll take you guys along with us and show you the Peace Bridge. River here running through Calgary, and we're just headed to the Peace Bridge, which is that bridge right there. And check it out, guys. Pretty nice views. Arrived at Peace Bridge, and this is the pedestrian bridge that goes across the Bow River and into Calgary proper. So that's the Bow River over there. Very unique bridge, guys. I'll put the details about the bridge and a little bit of its history in the description below. Alright guys, so we just left the Peace Bridge and we came through Delta Garden, and we're just heading down, I'm not even sure what street we're on, guys, but all I know is we're heading to 8th Avenue, right, to check it out, and we are currently at 2nd Avenue, so should be about six more blocks and we'll be at 8th Avenue, so we'll check that out and see what's up. So guys, we're coming up to 7th Avenue right now, almost at 8th Avenue, and check out the Calgary Transit here, guys. So it looks like Calgary has above ground and underground transit. Finally arrived at the bougie part of 8th Avenue in Calgary. So we just walked by a Holt Renfrew and a Cactus Club cafe and some other fancy dining locations, and we're just making our way down 8th Avenue right now. As you can see, pretty interesting. Over here you have the boy them. So this part of 8th Avenue is actually called Stephen Avenue, I believe. And we're gonna check it out when it lights up and show you guys, so stay tuned for that.
This avenue is honestly so weird. It's our first time here too. Where are you? Toronto. Nice. A little bit far from home, eh? It's a good mix, I guess. You gotta have the memories, right? I'm kind of both. It's interesting though because I find that a photograph doesn't capture.
Check out this building in downtown Calgary. Is that amazing or what? Very unique.
Hydro built through the roof though.
It might not be a condo, that's the thing. What if it's not? Alright guys, so we made our way down 8th Avenue and we've come to the Calgary Tower actually, which is just around this corner here. Okay guys, so we made it to the end of 8th Avenue or Stephen Avenue and came onto this park here. Check this out guys. What's this right here? What looks like multicolored squirrels. Oh gosh. And then this seems like it's usually probably maybe an ice rink in the winter, but it's dry right now. Not entirely sure, but if anyone knows what this is, you could tell me what it is in the comments below. And yeah, so Dorothy and myself are actually searching for a head. So Dorothy says there's a unique, I don't know, illuminated white head that
Like a
wired head that people take photos of in Calgary. So we're on a journey to find that head, and when we do find it, we'll show you guys. But before that, Dorothy's a bit cold right now guys, because it's about -3 in the city, and we've been walking around outside for a while, so we're gonna find somewhere to rest up a bit. And we actually have reservations for dinner at a Mexican restaurant, so we're probably gonna head there right now, and we'll bring you guys with us. So let's go.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right, from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down to coast, homies in the back bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no.
Guys, check out 8th Avenue in the nighttime. So all the lights are now on, and it just basically lights everything up. Gives it some real cool vibes, guys. How is it?
Couldn't wait for the video this time, guys. It's really good.
Alright guys, so we're here making our way down 3rd Street Southwest in Calgary. Just had dinner at Native Tongues Taqueria, and guys, that was one of the best Mexican dinners I've ever had. I definitely recommend if you're coming to Calgary. And we're gonna end the video right here, so if you like this video, leave a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel.